Let's take a close look at the all-new Forester Sport. Designed to outdo other SUVs, it's a Forester that sets itself apart, both in presence and in purpose. Its strikingly bold style is characterized by gloss black and orange exterior accents, with orange accented underguards, while 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels help tie the whole look together. When you're ready to hit the road, the Forester Sport is ready to make the most of it with a 182-horsepower direct-injection Subaru Boxer engine. It's paired with the specially designed sport-tuned SI drive, which features Sport Sharp mode to help you optimize engine response. And no matter what road you're on, you can count on Subaru's Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive and the newly updated dual-function X mode, which now includes settings specifically engineered for slippery surfaces like snow and dirt and stickier surfaces like deep snow and mud. If you find yourself in conditions with low visibility, the Forester Sport features auto on-off LED headlights and fog lights. It's also easily loadable thanks to an available power rear gate, which opens and closes at the touch of a button. There's also LED cargo lighting and an LED rear gate lamp to make packing up even easier. If your gear gets dirty, no problem. The removable cargo tray can easily be removed for washing. And to bring larger cargo, roof rails with integrated tie-downs help keep it tight and secure. If you're eager to get going, the Forester Sport has keyless access with push-button start, so all you have to do is jump in and you'll already be on your way. The Forester Sport combines style and comfort in equal parts, with dark gray sport fabric, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a leather shifter. The whole cabin gets sport styling with orange stitching and trim accents, along with sport gauges and a color LCD display. And a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat can easily adapt to your preferences. Meanwhile, the power panoramic moonroof overhead will help you tap into the pure fun at hand. To keep your drive connected, the Forester Sport features Starlink multimedia with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. It includes a 6.5-inch touchscreen, or you can opt for an 8-inch touchscreen to access all your music and apps. There's also available Wi-Fi to help you stay connected in more places. And the available Harman Kardon premium audio system with 9 speakers will give your playlist the treatment it deserves. To help keep you and your passengers safe, the Forester Sport includes standard EyeSight driver assist technology, which is a set of systems that help watch the road ahead and can alert you of potential danger. There are also additional advanced safety technologies available, including blind spot detection with lane change assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and reverse automatic braking. So with more peace of mind, you can feel free to enjoy all the excitement the Forester Sport delivers. To learn more about the all-new Forester, click the link on your screen to watch the 2019 Forester walk-around video.